Dude, you're standing up and riding. Dude, did you know that we could go... Whoa. Okay. You know the front? We could go in the front and go off-roading in the dirt.
No.
Dude, come on. It's going to be fun. You're
Let's go.
You're going to like it. My bike is really dirty.
Let's go.
Taking a very dirty Schwinn bike. Alright, I'm going to open the gate. You're going to come through very fast.
It's made by Schwinn.
Yeah, it's made by Schwinn. And that's my car right there. That's a Camry. Radical. I don't know. Hey, dude, they cut the grass. I didn't know that. Off-roading. No, this is where I went off-roading the other day. Whee.
Wow.
They mowed the lawn.
Yeah.
And then over here, I filled it up with water, and there was mud all around here. That's why you see all these mud tracks.
Okay, let's go.
You see? There was mud here.
You want to go around the house? Let's keep going around the house.
Yeah, keep going.
I'm not going to come that fast, but I'm going to come.
Hey, why is it...
it?
Dude, let's go! Let's go! The gate's open! No! Let's go out! Woo! Aw. I'm just kidding. No, we're just kidding. We got a guy. Hey, look! Dominic, come back! They come back! Oh, there was a kitty cat here.
What?
There used to be, oh my god. There used to be a kitty cat right here. It was so cute.
Oh, let's go.
Dude, you see that Hyundai?
Yeah, let's go.
It's supposed to be coming in. Go, go, go. I'll pull the bike.
No.
Oh no, that guy's drunk. Hi! Alright, come on.
I'm moving faster than you are.
Dude, why don't you use this like a GoPro cam?
Yeah.
Okay, so where should I put this on?
Put
No,
it in.
keep on going.
Okay.
And stop. Alright, so,
Let's put it on here.
but how's it gonna stick? No, it will fall off.
Why don't you hold it while I'm riding?
Okay, go.
Actually, I'll hold it. You know what? I'm good. I know how to hold it. Okay, here we go. Cam.
Alright, go off-roading.
This is what we call the bike cam. Yeah. Raheem, we're going off-roading on his front lawn. This is awesome.
Imagine you hit me.
Whoa! Okay.
Oh. Woo.
We got a cooler bike, dude.
Run! My stuff!
I'm going. Okay. This is a bike cam, not a toy. This is not a toy. Do not try this at home. Oh, and don't...
You want this place to be muddy?
Yeah,
Alright.
that'd be cool.
So what I'm gonna do is over there, there's a lot of mud and I'm gonna spray it on the sidewalk.
Okay,
So go around.
okay, you go around the other side.
Okay. Just speak into the camera.
Okay, I know. Okay, so, you guys, we're going around the back. We're gonna put mud. It's gonna be awesome. You guys ready for that? Okay, let's go. Okay. We're here.